Diagnosing and repairing electronics can be painstaking and sometimes frustrating work. Problems can be intermittent, and the faulty area on the PCB can be difficult to locate. Freeze spray is an essential tool because it helps identify faulty components, solder joints, and other problems that can lead to board failure. To diagnose a problem, saturate the suspect area of the energized circuit board with freeze spray. Any area that is hotter than the rest, like a faulty component or a cold solder joint that creates resistance, will melt the frost first, isolating the problem. Chemtronics offers several varieties of freeze spray. HFC 134A refrigerant is the most common in industrial applications because it is nonflammable. HFO 1234ZE is a newer material that is non-flammable and has very low global warming potential. These can come with an anti-static additive that reduces static generation from the spray, so they are safer for repairing static-sensitive devices. Chemtronics freeze sprays also come with the option of a pinpoint high-precision sprayer to locate problems in a tight area, or a broad spray head for freezing larger areas at one time. Contact us, and we can help you find the best freeze spray for your requirements.